Good morning, Songjun. Good morning, Sohu. Good morning, Yuna. Good morning, Hami. And good morning, the baby in mummy's bump. How are you all today? I might be a long way away, and so might Auntie Mia and your cousins, but if ever you guys need to chat to us, you can always chat to us. Everyone else is asleep at the moment, so I've got a nice story for you today. It's all about the weather and other things. Here we've got the book. The book is called The Sun, Snow, Stars and Sky. And there's a little boy and a little girl there. Do you know what you think the story might be about? It might be about the weather and other things, mightn't it? Let's have a look. The sun, snow, stars, and sky. It's raining here in England right now. Oh, look at all these lots of pictures. Children in different clothes, different weather, different seasons. How's the weather? How's the weather in Korea at the moment? I bet it's hot. Raining here. I just said that, I'm sure. Early in the morning, the sun comes up. Yeah, there's the sun coming up. Oh, it's beautiful when the sun comes up. Sun's not coming up today. Look out of your window. I'm looking out of the window now. Is it frosty, foggy, wet? Yes, it's wet in England. Surprise, surprise. Windy, hot, hailing, stormy. I like a good storm. Snowing. What's the weather like today? So there's all the different weathers. What's the weather like today where you are? Hot and sunny. On hot days, bees buzz. Bzzz. Bees sting, but bees are very, very important. We need the bees. Tired dogs search for shade. Ice tastes nice, especially strawberry ice or banana ice. Plants need to drink too. So there's some pictures for you to look at of the dogs sleeping and the bees buzzing and the children eating ice creams and things. We don't wear many clothes and everyone likes to be outdoors. Well, I know in Korea it's not always nice outdoors when it's hot. What do you do on hot days? So there's the children in the pool. What are you doing on hot days? Eating ice cream, wearing shorts, wearing t-shirts, lots of sun cream, wearing hats to keep the sun away. Got to protect ourselves on the hot days, but it is nice. Do you watch the clouds sail by in all shapes and sizes? At the moment, there's no real shape to our clouds because it's just one massive cloud. What else do you see in the sky? So here we go, we're looking in the sky. I can see birds and the sun, and there's some clouds. That cloud looks like a dog, doesn't it? That cloud. There's another cloud there. Looks like looks like little animals and things. Maybe a whale or something. And there's a hot air balloon. On cold days, puddles turn to ice. You've got to be careful. Cars are hard to start. Cars, yeah. We have warm drinks. Oh, hot chocolates and Horlicks and stuff. Ooh. And wear lots of clothes. Here's the children wearing their lots of clothes. And there's that car being pushed. We can see our breath in the air. We might find footprints in the snow. What do you do on cold days? Wrap up warm, that's a definite on a cold day, but it is nice to go out on a cold, dry day. I like the cold days in Korea, to tell you the truth. Some animals sleep all winter. That's called hibernating. Well, I'm glad I don't hibernate in the winter, but it's good for other animals. Some animals like the cold. So here's the animals at the top there, like the tortoise and the snake and things that hibernate, the hedgehog. And there's the animals that love the cold weather. The penguins, the seals, and maybe there's some snow foxes or snow wolves, I don't know. Some birds stay in the garden. Yes, some birds don't migrate. They stay in your country all year round. Others fly away to warmer places. So there's the birds staying in the cold and some flying away to warmer destinations. Some countries are very hot. It's a bit like Korea. Others are always cold. I don't want to be always cold, but I wouldn't want to be always hot, would you? I like the seasons. There they are. There's maybe Egypt possibly or somewhere in one of the deserts. And there we are with the Inuits and their igloos in the very cold pole areas. Alaska maybe. Some animals live only where it's hot. Here are some of those animals. Do you know their names? So which animals do you know? Do you know which one's the lion? There's the lion. There's an elephant. There's a crocodile. There's a tiger. There's a giraffe. There's maybe a cheetah and a leopard there, and some monkeys. All sorts of animals. Oh, there's a snake there. I don't know if you saw the snake wrapped around the tree. There he is. Look, the snake wrapped around the tree. Spring is the time for lambs and chicks, eggs in nests, sudden showers, buds on trees. So there's the spring things going on. Spring things. Oh, look, yes, good. Summer is the time for butterflies floating. Nabi. Flowers growing, long lazy picnics, and vacations on the beach. Yes, get me to the beach. Whoa, look at that, summer. Autumn, not fall, autumn, is the time for falling leaves. Falling leaves. Fruits on trees to be picked. Harvest days, yes. Bonfires, berries, nuts and squirrels. There's the autumn pictures. The leaves falling and harvest time and the animals collecting their berries and nuts. Winter is the time for skating and sledding and snowball fights. Bare branches, gloves and scarves. I do like a good glove and a good scarf and a good hat. Whistling winds and glowing fires. Oh, real fires. Look at that. Look at that. Winter's quite nice when you've got the right clothes and the right environment, the right home. People say funny things about the weather. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Songjun wants to play, so rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. So who wants to play, so rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Yuna wants to play, so rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Jaime wants to play, so rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Baby in mummy's bump doesn't care, it's nice and warm and cosy in there. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning. So look, sailors and farmers would often use the weather and the night sky to predict what it's going to be like the next day for sailing and farming and getting the sheep in and stuff. If the cows are lying down, it's going to rain. That's what they say. The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow. Do you know any other weather rhymes? I'm trying to think of another weather rhyme. I know a little song. The sun has got his hat on, hip 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 hooray. The sun has got his hat on and he's coming out to play. Whoopee! I wish the sun would come out to play today. But there's the cows laying down in the fields and that north wind blowing. Ah, yes. If the sun shines when it's raining, sometimes you can see a rainbow in the sky. What do you do on a wet day? So look at that rainbow. Up above the streets and houses, rainbow climbing high. Everyone can see it smiling. Whee. Over the sky. Actually kind of looks like it's a bit frowny, really, doesn't it? But rainbow's beautiful. Let's try this one. Remember, up above the streets and houses, rainbow climbing high. Everyone can see it smiling over the sky. Paint the whole world with a rainbow. It's fun to watch the weather change, but what happens if there's too much rain? Too much sun and too much wind or too much snow. So here's the flooding and the droughts and the trees toppling over and nobody can move with the snow. Got to look after the planet. Got to turn off your taps. Stop using so much plastic. Walk when you can. Turn the engine off when you're not driving. Don't leave the car idling. All of this will look after the planet. Otherwise this weather is going to continue and it's going to get rather extreme. So it's up to you to say, Mummy and Daddy, stop playing with the environment. Look after the environment because we need it to be nice when we're big. Whatever the weather is like, it gets dark at the end of each day. Not true. Some countries it doesn't get dark at all. Okay, in fact, it stays light for long times in certain countries. Night animals go hunting. On clear nights, the moon and the stars light up the sky. So here's the night time for most people. There's the animals doing their thing, prowling at night, hunting, and there's the stars in the sky. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Oh, England, what will the weather like tomorrow? I bet it's raining. Hooray! And that's the end. Now, so we love you all. Be strong, stay tough, and give us a call sometime. Bye bye.